Hi everyone! My name is Daniela and I'm a Youth Services Librarian with Vaughan Public Libraries. Today I want to show you how to make your very own kaleidoscope. Have you ever played with a kaleidoscope? The word kaleidoscope comes from Greek words meaning beautiful form to see. A kaleidoscope is a toy that can produce amazing patterned images when you look into it. So how exactly does it work? A kaleidoscope consists of a tube with several mirrors on the inside. Mirrors are special surfaces that reflect or bounce back light very clearly. A kaleidoscope makes multiple reflections of small, colorful objects. As you rotate the kaleidoscope in your hands, the objects shift in the chamber and the reflection changes, creating new patterns. Let's get started with the supplies that you'll need today. I have a toilet paper roll, some mirrored paper. Now, if you don't have something like this at home, aluminum foil will also work, or even the inside lining of a chip bag, a hot glue gun, scissors, adhesive tape, some colorful beads, pencil, ruler, a clear plastic takeout lid, and then any other decorative supplies you would like to use on the toilet paper tube. You'll want to begin by decorating your toilet paper roll. I chose some pretty scrap-looking paper. Set that aside and cut out your mirrored paper. You'll need 3 pieces that are 3.5 inches by 1.25 inches. Next, tape those together in the shape of a prism, with the mirrored side facing inward. Then, take your plastic takeout container, and using your toilet paper roll, you're going to trace 3 circles and cut those out. Then you should have something that looks like this. Now it's ready to assemble. Take your toilet paper roll and apply a thin layer of hot glue to the top. Be careful to ask for some help from your parents if you need it. Attach your first plastic circle. Now flip it over, put your prism inside, and take another piece of plastic and put it inside. This creates a chamber for your plastic beads. Now I'm going to take some beads in different colors and put that inside. Make sure not to overfill because you want to make sure that there is space for your beads to move. Apply another thin layer of hot glue along the top and apply your last plastic circle to seal everything in. And now your kaleidoscope is ready to use. Hold it up to the sun and rotate slowly to see the beautiful patterns that emerge. Kaleidoscopes are a magical and relaxing toy. They can also have a calming effect that can help children who experience sensory processing difficulties. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We'd love to see what you've been working on at home. Please use the hashtag VPLAtHome for a chance to be featured on our social media channels. Please also hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.